The rain really does pick up, though, as we head into this afternoon, so we'll get to that timecast here in just a bit. But you see, giving you the broader view of what's happening there, that light rain has moved in, that upper low that we've been talking about all week, finally starting to lift off to the north and east, so that's enhancing our shower chances here as we go through the day on this morning, heading into the afternoon. So you can see as we zoom into North Texas, very light rain, and it has been spotty across the area here as we go through the morning hours. That's what I was just talking about, lifting over downtown Dallas and Fort Worth right now. That moves on out, so we'll catch a little bit of a break, but there will be periods of showers from time to time this morning. Coverage still pretty low through the morning hours as we take you through the day here around 10 a.m., about a 20% coverage, and then we bump that up to about 40% as we get into the afternoon. And then the widespread rain, light to moderate showers, it does increase late this afternoon around 4 p.m. We're going to go with about a 70 to 80% coverage, and it begins to taper off, but still likely as we get into the evening before tapering off once again, heading toward 10 p.m. here for tonight. So just be prepared for that heading on out the door. So here's that timecast as we get into the early afternoon. Look at the rain. It does increase in coverage across the area, and most of the rain is going to be light. We'll have some pockets of some moderate shower activity from time to time as well as we go through the afternoon hours, and that does continue around 4 p.m. As we mentioned, widespread rain around. So yes, mid to late afternoon, maybe a good time to just stay indoors and watch some of the football that we're going to have on ABC here this afternoon as we are looking at widespread rain that will continue. And then that starts to move out, but not going away entirely. If you have some plans to be out this evening, still going to be a bit wet out there. So again, dress and plan accordingly out there for that. So as we take you on out to DBU right now, 45 degrees. Those winds are going to be pretty light today. Out of the southeast, you see it 6 miles per hour, but the raindrops on the lens there at Dallas Baptist University over the southern parts of Dallas County, that the spotty light rain around, and those temperatures in the low mid 40s out there. Heading over to Fort Worth, you're at 42, 45 in Denton right now. Even some upper 30s as you get out to Greenville at 39 and 42 in Waxahachie. Now those temperatures will stay chilly today. We're not going to be warming up a whole lot, only in the upper 40s out there today. So we're likely not getting out of the 40s. That 50 that I was talking about a little bit earlier, that might be optimistic today. So we will see, but it is going to stay chilly out there through the day. And as we head on into tonight and Sunday, you see the rain tapers off as we head toward 9 p.m. tonight. And then as we head into the overnight hours, still going to have some rain around, probably around the time you're heading out, maybe for tomorrow morning, heading out to church, especially in our eastern counties. We'll have maybe some heavier rain, and I think that will pick up as we get into the afternoon east of Dallas and Fort Worth. But by midday, most of the rain should be tapering off across the area. We'll see that ending from west to east. We'll have some clearing late in the day, so not a complete washout on Sunday, and temperatures will actually be a little milder for us then as well. So we're talking about rainfall today and tomorrow, a 1/4 of an inch, probably maybe upwards of a 1/2 inch, but I think closer to that 1/4 of an inch through early on tomorrow. Maybe we could get closer to an inch in some areas off to our east and south. All right, here's that extended forecast for you. Gets us on into next week. We do cool down once again. Now we'll warm up tomorrow, close to 60 degrees, upper 60s on Monday. The next front moves in Tuesday, so we'll briefly cool down into the 50s, probably some freezing temperatures, in fact, as we get into Tuesday night, maybe on Wednesday, heading into Thursday as well. And then we warm back up heading into next weekend with those highs getting back into the 60s and some more rain chances as well.